Okay, this one's pretty easy. Writing an equation in point slope form for a line perpendicular to the line that they're giving us here, and it contains the point -8 comma 2. One of the convenient parts is that they gave us the line that our line's perpendicular to already in slope-intercept form, so it's really easy for us to examine the slope right here, -5, and we are then going to have as our slope the negative reciprocal of that, or our slope is going to be 1/5, right? We flip it over, change the sign. So we say y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1, and that's the same as y minus, we're going to put in the y value there, we're going to put in the slope here, we already determined it's a slope of 1/5, and then x minus x1, okay? And we have for the y coordinate a 2, and for the x coordinate a -8. Okay, so then when we just resolve that, just to simplify it out, we get y minus 2 equals 1/5 x plus 8. Okay, they wanted it in point slope form, which makes it real easy because that's the form we want it in. So that's it, done.